Hello. Oh, shoot. Wait, did I check for Wisp yesterday? What was I doing yesterday? Did I? Did I? I might have dropped the ball on that. Honestly, I might have dropped the ball on Wisps yesterday. I don't remember. No, when did I started playing the game around 8, I think? I think I started playing something around 8. So I would have checked around that point, question mark? I don't honestly remember if I did or not. But if I did, he wasn't here. If I didn't, oops. I think Goldie's crafting. I've gone on all my other characters. We didn't get anything. As Isabel just said, KK's here today. Now this is a weird one. This is like the weirdest day in the year. Because, you know, KK normally shows up on Saturdays. That's his thing. Now, sometimes there's a bug off or a fishing tourney, which would happen on the Saturday, and then KK will show up on the Sunday. Makes sense. But man, I am not telling this right. I wanted to say that. And then like, okay, well there's also like, you know, in August there's the fireworks show and it happens on Sundays. So what would happen if there was a bug off on the Saturday and then the following day there was a fireworks show? What would happen? And the answer's that he'd show up today. Which, at this point, is not the biggest deal in the world. Is actually kind of almost convenient for me. You know? Most of my visitors don't help me at all when it comes to anything. So I'm not overly concerned with that. Obviously, I'd like Kicks to visit, but is he more likely to visit on a Monday? Probably not. So all that means is that everyone's at Harps, which makes things easier for me. But yeah, not a big deal. It's one of those weird ones. It like happens, I think, one August day. There's a couple days where this happens. I'm trying to remember when. There's one for my birthday. There was another one in August. That's nothing. Yeah, so there's one in August. Yeah, okay. Because it's the fishing tourney one, that's right. And then one in there. I thought there was one... No. Okay, that's that. Never mind. I'm getting mixed up here. Just a little. Yeah, same thing, August. And he didn't show up for my birthday during the week, I guess because I already had. Or it was based on when it was, I guess. My birthday would have been on a Oh, yeah, my birthday would have been on a Saturday last year. Yeah, that makes sense. This year, it's on a Sunday. So, that makes sense. That won't affect that. Oh man, we got like all the holidays coming up again. Okay, sure, I'll do this stream and I'll do this event, even partially do this event, even though I've already done it. That whole thing. So that was fun. Anyway, okay. We're gonna go here. I did check the game on my friend's Switch, and guess what? Nothing. I got nothing. No recipe. Nothing from Harv's. Just sadness, emptiness, despair. Yo. That one is real, I believe. This is fake. Alright, let's get this going. Let's see what Kix has today. That's how I feel. Okay, so none of those. We don't need these. I need the stupid back bow socks. Clasp purse in white? I believe that's what I saw from my friend. Ooh, yellow delivery bag. That's new. That's new. That's a win. That's cool. I like that. That's a Randosidu. Randosidu. Yep. Yep, we already have those. I'm gonna pull up the catalog just to confirm everything. There you go. That's literally what I just saw. And delivery bag in yellow. Let me mark this bad boy off. You know what? We got one thing. I am happy. That's how it works here. If you give me one new item from Kix, I can't really complain. Considering how many weeks he's just shafted me and given me nothing, yeah, I'll take one thing. That means that we are going down from 39 to 38 items, with 34 of those being backpacks. Okay. I don't like what I'm seeing here. I don't see anything immediately. We have both Robo-Walls and Robo-Wall, Robo-Flooring. Sumo Ring, which is funny because this one had like a glitch damage preview thing. This is obviously super old. So no... Cool that the Robo set's here today, but I already have that. This is old. That's old. See, that's the elegant black rug. I thought so. I need the brown one. But that's already there, and then the yellow Hawaiian thing we already have, so... Nothing from Sahara, but again, I can't complain too much about Sahara. You know? Like, it's really hard for me to complain, because I have... Does that thing even exist? I'm Googling it. Is this thing real? Elegant brown rug? Really? This exists? Okay, hello? How do I look at all the rugs? Why is there no rug page? Rug. Rug. I'm gonna look at rug. Okay. Are you... Alright, so I guess... Those are really close, but it does exist. I was looking, I'm like, wait, there's a beige one? Come on, you're not gonna have beige and brown. That's so... I guess they do. Whatever. Accept that. It's real. Well, Music Festival is gone, which is good, because that was affecting me in a negative way. We're gonna check the beach recipe over here. It's not gonna be anything I need. I'm gonna have to sell it eventually. And life is gonna be great. Okay, not looking good for me so far. It's 29th. That means there are 2 more days after this in August, which means it's almost September. Good for getting salmon. That'll happen maybe this weekend? I don't know. Maybe I'll catch some fish. Nothing here today, though. I really wanted to get at least, like, all the clothing or all the recipes by the end of the summer. I still need 2 of those dresses. So close. Highly unlikely, but it could still happen. I'll try to check for Wisp tonight. But I'm going to get out of here now. It's been just over 10 minutes. I'll be back on probably around the same time. Maybe slightly earlier tomorrow. And we'll see what happens.